Good day, crypto trader. What Elon Musk's speech at the Qatar Economic Forum 2022 means for Bitcoin price. This morning Elon Musk made comments during the Qatar Economic Forum. Musk alluded that a recession is coming fast and hard and will bite into cryptocurrencies. Expect BTC price to still rally, but traders need to see the message from Musk as a warning sign of limited upside. Bitcoin, BTC, price was holding its breath this morning as crypto guru Elon Musk appeared at the Qatar Economic Forum. Speaking at the forum, Musk said that a recession in the near term is more likely than not and that traders and investors need to prepare for the eventuality by prudently managing their portfolios. This means that positions in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies should be cut short soon as Bitcoin enters a soft patch, although longer term, Bitcoin price, still nevertheless, retains some upside potential. BTC price sees a 13% upside in a soft patch. Bitcoin price has left traders to hang out to dry over the weekend as the price tumbled below $20,000, but in the end it was able to close out the week above it. Still, this was only a warning shot of what's to come as Elon Musk painted a dire picture of the world economy this morning and thinks a recession is just around the corner with more losses to come for cryptocurrencies. In the meantime, Terra is denting the stable image of cryptocurrencies after its CEO was indicted by the U.S. Attorney's Office. BTC price still has some room to cover before getting to $23,782.62. That means around 13% is still up for grabs before an initial upside cap is hit. That cap comes with the low of May 12 and the monthly S1 support level, which needs to be confirmed as resistance now price action has broken below it. Risk to the downside comes with Musk's warning that a recession is just around the corner, and Tesla has already slashed its workforce by a few thousand. This is not an isolated warning, as other CEOs and business leaders are joining Musk in the recession camp. This would mean more cash outflow for cryptocurrencies, with BTC set to drop back to $19,036.23 and possibly even slip towards $16,020.44 in case the previously mentioned level does not hold, triggering a 24% correction. What to do before Cardano price enters the next rough patch? Cardano price still has room to move to the upside as dollar strength backs off. ADA price sees supportive tailwinds from the stock market's booking gains after positive measures out of China. Expect to see an 18% rally possible, but then a rough patch could unfold with a sharp drop back to 40 cents. Cardano, ADA, price is breathing a sigh of relief after the slaughter from the past weekend, when Bitcoin price plummeted like a falling knife and ADA price reached the cusp of slipping below 40 cents. In the end, price action backed away from that lower level and started to move upwards, with an accelerated move today as Asian stocks are firing up global stock markets on supportive language from the PBOC. Expect this to be a soft patch for ADA to move in as the dollar backs off, opening up 18% room to the upside. ADA set to pop in limited time frame. Cardano price has had a very bumpy ride these past few days but is now starting to enter a calm phase as markets are decompressing. Traders will want to jump on some long positions but must be aware that they might be in the eye of the hurricane, which tends to be very calm and gives a false impression that the worst is over. Nothing could be further from the truth, as traders are not aware that this moment is a soft patch for some short-term gains, but nothing fundamentally has changed to create the conditions for a longer-term uptrend play. ADA price looks to be on its way to $0.600, where the 55-day simple moving average, SMA, is lingering. With the relative strength index, RSI, room and potential are there for roughly 18% gains. Traders who manage that position well and take profit around those levels will be able to get out with fair gains. Some analysts are already looking to the next pain point in the markets, and with rising rates, the obvious next choice is the housing market. Should there be another housing crash, people will not only lose money because of rising inflation but also see their most significant investment lose value as house prices plummet. That could spark the second significant tailwind for cryptocurrencies, another run on cash, with ADA price tumbling towards $0.400 and looking for support near $0.300 with a bounce possible off that still well-respected red descending trend line. Ethereum price bulls get some relief as Celsius starts repayments. ETH price bounces back from brief fall below $1,000 as Celsius Network announces repayment start. Ethereum price has yet to breach the Elliott wave trend channel. A breach at $366.80 will invalidate the bullish macro count. Update: Ethereum price is trending slightly higher on Tuesday after closing Monday with a dodgy candlestick, indicating the start of a potential consolidation period. ETH bulls seeming have been able to finally stabilize some with the price action, which had been totally dominated by bears for the past days, weeks, and months. It is still early to tell if this relief rally, which has been based at the big psychological $1,000 support, has some legs or if it will just turn into an indecision period before bears go back in business. News that Celsius Network has started repaying some of its debts, sending back $10 million in DAI to Compound Finance, and their open commitment to working with regulators in order to stabilize liquidity and operations could help the entire cryptocurrency market to gain some footing. Ethereum price lures the everyday investor to implement a dollar-cost average investing strategy. The invalidation level for Ethereum price, however, is still wide and less favorable than Bitcoin's. Ethereum price will be tough to manage. Ethereum price is in the middle of two complex scenarios which will yield a level of unpredictability for the future smart contracts token. Institutional players have been scalping Ethereum with multi-million-dollar positions. Venture capitalist firm Three Arrows Capital swung a $33 million Ethereum position during the third weekend of June. The firm was able to capitalize on an arbitrage imbalance as the market value between Ethereum fell below the staked Ethereum on the curve DAO's liquidity pool. Ethereum price began a disastrous fall from a high of $1,118 on Friday to $888 by Saturday afternoon as millions of dollars in ETH were witnessed on the blockchain being swapped for stETH on the curve DAO's network. The shocking market discrepancy was quickly resolved as institutional and retail investors bought the discounted Ethereum price. ETH price currently trades at $1,108 on the first day of summer. The technicals are bullish but risky. From a technical standpoint, the bulls have printed a very bullish-looking hammer on the 2-day chart. This classic bullish signal is accompanied by a significant amount of volume, which should yield some upside potential into the $1,400 zone for a 27% increase in value. Still, the 200-week simple moving average lies just above today's market price at $1,200 and should be viewed as a critical level likely to prompt significant bullish resistance for the Ethereum price to hurdle. Unlike Bitcoin's recent price action, the Elliott wave trend channel has not been breached. Ethereum's technicals suggest a $400 target is on the cards for Ethereum price but could happen as late as 2023 under Elliott wave's rule of alternation. A complex fourth wave structure will likely ensue, contrasting with the simple structure of the previous corrective wave, for the smart contracts token, bringing considerable market uncertainty. Long-term investors aiming to dollar-cost average a discounted Ethereum price should be aware of the medial phase in which the smart contract token presents itself. The bullish macro invalidation level is 66% below today's market value at $366.80. If the $366.80 level is breached, expect an Armageddon-style decline to $110, resulting in a 90% decrease from the current Ethereum price.